dear Governor Markel, dear Senator Kuhns, dear Major Christiansen, ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to extend a warm welcome to you in the name of Uzin Utz AG, the parent company in Germany. Today we are celebrating the opening of our production site here in Dover. I would like to thank you all for coming as an indication of our great interest in our Uzin products and their production. First of all, I would like to congratulate the management and all our staff in the USA on the new production site with all its technical facilities. I had an opportunity to see the progress made at first hand on the occasion of my visit here about 2 months ago. I can tell you that I found the quality of the construction work very good, and I was impressed above all by the quality of the products coming out as the plant was starting up. This is a great achievement since only 15 months have elapsed since the foundation stone was laid in May last year. Now the most important Uzin leveling compounds no longer have to be imported from Germany. This means that the value from this is now being generated in the USA. The decision to select Dover as a local for production site was trendsetting and forward-looking, and it was made at the right point in time. All the more so since in the USA there is a discernible trend toward onshoring industrial production and bringing it back home. Allow me to look back and reflect on past corporate developments. In 2003, we at Uzin Utz AG investigated the feasibility of doing business in the USA in a deep study for the first time. Our assistant to the board spent 3 months at that time in the USA investigated the market. Initially, the result was not all that favorable since the focus was above all on the market for floor covering adhesives. For 4 years we hesitated in coming to a clear decision to make a commitment to the USA. All the more since so our main market, Germany, went through wobbly stage from 2003 to 2005. It was only in 2006 that we decided to venture forth into the US market with the Palmen and Uzin brands. Matthias Liebert was an experienced and loyal employee who has prepared to commit himself to this adventure. Even at this point in time, it was decided to set up production facilities in the USA once a critical production volume had been achieved. At that stage, the location was completely open. Then in 2012, the time had come to make a decision. We could foresee that the volume would be achieved in 2016 or 2017 to enable a plant to run at full capacity. We assigned my son Philip to the task of finding a suitable location for production facilities in the USA and to manage the project. Philip and his family have now been in the USA for almost 3 years. You all know about the progress the company has made since then. Please allow me to introduce at this point the Uzin Utz Group to those of you who are not all that familiar with us. Today our company is firmly established and based in Ulm in Germany, the town with the world-famous Ulm Cathedral, having still the highest church tower in the world. However, it was in fact established in Vienna, the capital city of Austria, over a century ago in 1911 by my grandfather. Over the course of our corporate history, we have been prepared to venture forth into uncharted terrain again and again. This has contributed to the development of the Uzin Utz Group into becoming a global company today with almost under 1,000 employees and now 14 subsidiaries. In 2014, the total turnover of the group of companies amounted to $250 million. The Uzin Utz brand, a traditional manufacturer using construction chemicals in the production of leveling compounds and floor adhesives, is the bedrock and springboard of business for the Uzin Utz AG. As part of a new positioning of the company in 1997, we decided to go public and launch the company on the stock market in order to fund our policy of business expansion. In the meantime, we have achieved our ambitious goal in becoming the market-leading pioneer in the flooring application sector with all-around skills in all application-related matters concerning flooring. We have achieved this over the past 18 years by means of buying out various firms and pursuing a multi-brand strategy. We believe in establishing and maintaining values, and it is this which underpins our claim to be an authority on flooring. Our business models flooring expertise in the premium sector. And we can say with pride, we are flooring, because the one thing that we have in common is our passion for flooring. This passion makes us successful, as our business report of 2014 shows. We manufacture and sell our products all over the world. Consequently, the proportion of our turnover generated outside Germany is 60%. In order to achieve our scaled future growth, we have invested more than $60 million over the last 3 years. As a family-owned business, reliability, a sense of responsibility, continuity and trust are of particular importance for us. Our employees are our most important capital. Since it's our committed staff who underpin our international success every time, our business ethos is centered on them. I appreciate your commitment and your passion over recent years very much indeed. You can be really proud of your achievements. I am too. Ladies and gentlemen, just a few years ago there was nothing here. And that is preciously why I would like to thank all those who have ensured with their great personal commitment that the investment is turning out to be a good one and that we are able to celebrate these milestones together. In particular, I would like to express my gratitude to my son Philip and his wife Julia. Okay. Who have succeeded in ensuring that we are able to supply our customers with first-class products made in USA, supported with know-how from Germany. Many thanks also to Mr. Gropius and Dr. Gretz. As a symbol of German quality work and life pleasure, we brought a present for the new facility in Dover. Yeah. It's directly from the Munich Oktoberfest, a Bavarian leather hostel. This unusual gift is cast out of bronze, just as precise as our Uzin leveling compounds. Designed by a Ulmer artist, please take later a closer look of this unusual work of art. Thank you very much.
Tusch oder was? Tusch? Ja. Okay. Oh, gefährlich. Also, okay. Los.